Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make deep house basses, like artists as Tchami and Vintage Culture. Like these tracks. So we'll be making a deep house bass completely from scratch in Serum. The final result will sound like this.
Baby, please take me, choose me.
I'm gonna show you how I made this bass similar to these artists, so let's straight dive into the project. So besides that, this preset comes from Fruit Selection Firm 4. If you want more of these presets, check it out below. Also, if you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments and hit a thumbs up. So let's straight dive into it. So let's dive into the preset. Most of the time it's just a saw wave, filtered and distorted, with a lot of detune. So that will be the fundamental of the sound. Let's start with the preset. So first we need to choose a variation of a saw wave. So we'll be choosing this MB saw. Sounding like this. Same for oscillator B. Then we're gonna drop it an octave. Oscillator B will be up 7 semitones. So as you can hear, this will give the sound a lot more harmonics. Let's name the filter first because it sounds awful right now. So then we're gonna adjust the fine tune. Oscillator B gonna be 20 cents down. And oscillator B gonna be 20 cents up. So what this will do is give it more detunements. Then we're gonna bump up the unisons. Both oscillators gonna be 8 unisons. With a little bit more detunement. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna shape the filter with the envelope. So we're gonna route envelope 2 to the cutoff. It's gonna be quite a short envelope, around 500 milliseconds. Opening up to around here. Then bump on the drive. And the fatness. Stegmato legato. Just to avoid overlapping notes. Then I'm gonna route envelope 1 to the cutoff as well. Gonna be a really short modulation, so just to create some more movement in the sound. So that's it for the oscillators. We're gonna sauce detuned. And we got it filtered, so now we're gonna dive into distortion and effects. So we're gonna start off with some hard clipping. Mix all the way up, drive around here. Then we're gonna route envelope 2 to the drive. It's a little bit too much right now, but we're gonna filter it later on, so then we're gonna add some compression. Just drop the threshold a little bit back. We'll be using a really short decay time, so only the punch of the sound will come through. And a little bit of gain, just to bump out the overall loudness. So then we're gonna EQ the sound, we're gonna dip it just a little bit to around here. Just gonna hear there's quite a resonant frequency over there, so just dip it a little bit. So we got a distortion in place, so now it's time to filter it. We'll be using the low 12 again. It's gonna be quite the same filtering as we did in the oscillator section, so cut off around here. Envelope 2 to the cutoff. Just around here. Then bump up the drive till it's right before the red, so it doesn't clip. A little bit of fatness as well. And that's it for bass sounds. So that's how you make those typical bass sounds. Saws, detuned, filtered, distorted and filtered again. Besides that, we got a little bit of processing going on, so without, it sounds like this. And with it, it sounds like this. So first we distorted it with a camel crusher. Just some typical distortion to bump up the loudness, make it a bit more thick. Then we compress the sound again, just to catch the peaks. Nothing too crazy. As you can see, it's only 1 dB of reduction. So just to avoid clipping. And then to finish it off, I added some sidechain, so that's for the bass sound. So that's it for the video. If you like these kind of videos, let me know below. hit a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. In the track, it sounds like this. And I see you in the next videos.
So baby, please take me, choose me.